This is Loki eating his nice smorgasbord full of yummy lots of stuff. Let me go check it out what it is so I can show you guys. This is where we keep all our parrot food. And I got this stuff right here. It's called Feather Glow. And it's a 15-minute soak and serve. And let's see what it has in it. Brown rice and lentils. It looks like it has a lot of good stuff in it, but I'm not an expert. But it looks like it has a lot of good stuff in it. If anybody sees anything, let me know. But other than that, he loves it. He's taken to it quite well. He is definitely pigging out on it, aren't you, boy? Yeah, look at you, red eyes. Yeah, it's that albino in you. That's that albino ringneck in you. I can't wait till you learn how to talk. He's too young of a baby to talk, but soon he's gonna learn how to talk. I'm gonna teach him lots of tricks, huh? Or lots of words. Lots of words. Yes, I am, huh? Lokiva. Lokiva. Loki. Oh, what was that? What was that? What are you doing? I got some on your face. You want it off? Oh. Oh, you're so pretty. I love you so much. You're such a good bird. Where are you going? Huh? Oh, poops. Good boy goes potty. Trying to teach him what that means when he does that by saying good boy goes potty every time he goes potty, so he knows, oh, when I do that, that means I go potty. It means I went potty. He's a good boy. Where are you going, Mr. Loki? Exploring? I know you want to go outside. You want to go outside? Alright, let's go outside. Alright, well, thanks everyone for checking this video out. Say bye, Loki. He doesn't know how to say bye yet, but hopefully he'll learn soon. Bye, Loke.